Look at this.
That Wonder Woman.
Look at that.
Whoa.
We're at the start of another trek. Ah. You can see there's some movie shooting going on between us and we are just filming from this end. So hey guys, we're approximately 100 kilometers into the journey.
100 kilometers ho gaya.
And now we have a new problem. Every fuel station we came across, I always thought there's going to be another one. I kept skipping and now we are low on fuel. So I'm just hoping that we can make it to the next fuel station. If we don't, well, it's going to be another video than what we had planned. If we do make it, we are on our way to the place that cannot be pronounced. I'll update you once we fuel the car.
Whatever it is, footage milega.
We made it, guys. We finally made it. I think I had another 4-5 kilometers to go. Seriously, I'm telling you. Oh my god.
Finally.
We have just made it to Maredumilli. I guess this trip is only about problems. The new issue we faced is we forgot to withdraw cash from an ATM. And we come here and we notice there's no network. We're not able to buy the ticket to enter any of the places. So right now what we have done is we have taken the number of these vendors who have been so helpful and kind to us. They have lent us money, and what we are going to do is when we reach an area where we do get network, we are going to Google Pay them. It's all based on trust. Hopefully everything goes well. How's the Josh?
Very low.
We've made it halfway. Half more to go. We need to reach that point. Like that. Let's go. This is the waterfall. And this is the view. This is Amritadhara waterfalls in Maredumilli, for which we drove around 250 kilometers. What a disappointment. They say one of the best views or the best views are attained after your toughest treks or your toughest climbs. Our research clearly indicated something else. This is what the end result is. So yeah, we're halfway up, going back right now after the disappointment that it was. How's the Josh? We're halfway up and she is already dead. Guys, if you're coming here, especially to this waterfalls, be prepared for a trek because you have to trek for a while.
Vegetarians.
Vegetarians, huh? Non-vegetarians ko itna stamina.
See, if he can do it, anybody can do it. And look at his Josh. Look at him go. Here, come here.
Come.
Yo.
Chal.
Name Peru?
Simba.
Simba.
Chal. Chal.
Everybody say hi to Simba.
Hi.
This is Simba, who we have met at.
What falls is it?
Simba. See, I'm telling you, destination is not good. Just enjoy whatever we are doing here. Just enjoy the trek. That's all you have to do.
Yeah, certainly. Now he
Come on, auntie. Come on.
They have to skip this, right? Seriously. They would have made the Wonder Woman.
Vizag, auntie. So you guys saw that was Amritadhara waterfalls. Now we are heading back to another place called Jalatarangini in Maredumilli. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If not, please correct me in the comments. If you come to such places, do enjoy with your family. Along the trek, have fun. A lot of families had stopped there for lunch. They were cooking by themselves. So do that as well. And now we're off to Jalatarangini and we'll update you there. So we've just made it to Jalatarangini. Bad news again is we've been told that the water is quite low. So I don't know what is happening this trip. So let's just check it out and I'll show you whatever we see. We're at the start of another trek. Let's go.
High five. High five. High five.
Her name is Pure. Bye, baby. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, this what you can see behind me, this is Jalatarangini. It was supposed to be filled with water. The water was supposed to be gushing and that is why it's one of the famous tourist spots here. But like I told you initially, the guide also told us at the ticket counter that the water levels are low. So this is the end result. So we've just stopped for lunch and I want to show you guys that if you do come to Maredumilli, this is the main road of Maredumilli. Alright? And in entire town, if you want to eat something, you have to stop at one of these places. Also, I suggest you get cash. If not, another solution is this is one of the places where you do get network. We didn't come across any ATM, but what you can do is you can Google Pay one of these people and you can take cash from them. If you do come to Maredumilli, it's one of these restaurants is where you need to stop for lunch because there's nothing ahead, there's nothing behind. Just check it out.
Guys, here we are for lunch. We ordered pot biryani and we are so much in supportive of small businesses, so that is the reason we stopped eating in big hotels. I think we all should do it because these small businesses need support. What do you say, Pritam?
The main point being is any place you go, whether you're traveling or wherever you go along your journey, do have the local food. Always the local food is good. We suggested in the Arupu video for you guys to have bamboo chicken. You get bamboo chicken here as well, but we're not covering it because bamboo chicken we've already covered it before. And also contrary to what she just said, it's not that we have chosen to come here, there's no other food. Okay. This is the only restaurant around. I've told you guys this lane, this main road is the only place where you get restaurants. You go ahead, you might probably get ice cream stalls and you might get tender coconut, but that is it. If you want any food main courses, this is the place. So guys, that was Maredumilli. We have to tell you we are exhausted after this trip because 250 kilometers from Vizag one way. So it took us 5 hours to cover it. We hadn't eaten anything since 7:30 in the morning. So that is when we stopped and we showed you what was there for lunch. Apart from that, how was Maredumilli?
It was good. I mean, for travel and to go with family, it is a very nice and quiet place.
That's true. To get away from the concrete jungles of Vizag or any city for that matter, and to get away from the hustle bustle of any city and come into such peaceful serenity. I mean, look at this. What more do you want other than this background? Right? It's absolutely beautiful. It's very peaceful. Although when you are coming to Maredumilli, I suggest please do your own research. My suggestion, avoid coming here in summers because there is no water flow in either the stream or the waterfalls. And try coming in the monsoons. But then again, if you're coming in monsoons, it has its own problems while driving and whatnot, right? Well, that's it guys. That covers this weekend's adventure. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, join our family, be part of our ever-growing community.
And please do follow us on social media handles as well so that you will be updated about our next destinations and videos. So yeah, if you have any suggestions for the next video, you are more than welcome.
That's it from our side guys. See you on the next adventure. Bye guys. What did you do? You did that?